Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to unfriend people on Roblox fast. So I suppose if you go into your friends list and try to remove someone, it's going to be a little slow. So if you go to connect, of course I don't have any added friends in here, but you won't have probably the button in here to actually add someone. So if you want to do this much quicker, we need to download a certain extension for our Chrome browser. So for that, you just go to your extensions here, manage, and go to Chrome Web Store. Then in here, you just search for an extension, Roblox, friend, remove a button. There you go, this one. So you add this one to Chrome. It's pretty simple, add extension like that. And then you go here, reload the page, and the friends that you have here. As you can see, we have a button unfollow all. And also if you add someone, you will actually see like a red minus button next to their name now. And then you just click on remove. So pretty much click on that button minus and you will easily remove them. So as you can see, we have this little demo. Man, the screenshots are a bit small. Let me open them like that. So as you see, you go to my friends, for example, in here, my friends, connections, and then you will have this little button, as you can see, red button next to their name. You click on it as so, and you will quickly remove them. Enjoy guys, hopefully this helps you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe.